Hello students, welcome again in our trigonometric chapters. In the last exercise, our 3.5, our supplementary chapters. Students, today going over parts for related sine rule and cosine rule related questions and some practical word problems in this our last part of trigonometric functions. So let's start. Exercise 3.5, question number 11. Prove that cos A by small a, cos B by small b and cos C by small c is equal to prove that a square plus b square plus c square upon 2 times abc. Students, here given cos functions, so I only applied by the cos rule. Yes, using cosine rules, I proving these solutions. So in the LHS, cos A by small a, cos B by small b and cos C by small c. Only operate that cos rule. Yes, cos A known you, b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc into this a as it is. Similarly, here students, cos b is equal to a square plus c square minus b square upon 2ac into this b again same, and last of the cos c, a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab and c is same as. Students, you take out the total LCM is same 2abc, so I have only this value upon 2abc. Yes, surely you have to a square gone, b square gone and c square also gone. Other remaining a square plus b square plus c square by 2abc is my RHS, and it's very easily and very quickly we complete this numericals. Is very simple. Now I going to question number 12. Now students, we going to question 12, which is a IMP for exam level. It's a very lengthy numericals. Cot A, cot B and cot C related given b square minus c square, c square minus a square and a square minus b square. So very simple. Here also students, I utilize our cos rule and sine rule, but cot translate into cos by sine. So in the LHS, we have to b square minus c square. This cot A, I just write down cos A by sine A. Same. Other are cos B by sine A B. And last of the cot C is recombined for cos C by sine C. Yes students, here now I operate our cos rule. So generally known cos rule, cos A, which is b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. And what is sine A by 2r. Yes, sine A, because a by sine A is equal to 2r. Then what is sine A by 2r? Same here, write down cos B, a square plus c square minus b square upon 2ac, and cos B is b by 2r. And last, same as cos C, a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab, and cos C is a c by 2r. Only I operate students cos rule and sine rule. Now this 2 cancel, here also cancel, and here also cancel. Now how many? The remaining parts. This remaining a b c by r, same here, same here. So I just translate r by abc one side, other as it is by a square. Similarly here also students, a square plus c square minus b square, and last a square minus b square with the square plus b square minus c square. And students, these two are the multiple with these two. Directly you product, and this multiple by a square, same as here and same as here. So I just getting, b square minus c square and b square plus c square. Yes, it is b raised to 4 minus c raised to 4 minus a square same other function data as it is. Same is here, C4 minus A4 minus B square, C square minus A square, and the last A4 minus B4, A square minus B square and A square plus B square, and minus C square same. Here also same, A square B square. Now finally you get it down. These are 4 parties cancel and remainings are R by ABC. These are productive. Minus A square B square plus A square C square. Students, this plus B raised to 4 and this minus B raised to 4 cancel. Same as A4 and same as C4. Similarly here these are multiplied. Now B square C square plus B square A square, and last C square A square C square B square. These all are cancelled. So R by ABC into 0, that's your RHS. And here students, these are very happily and easily, here we ending this question number 12. Now students, the same related one more numericals. It is a IMP for exam 13, and that is also same as to 12th one, but it is a 12th including the biggest part. Here sin 2a, sin 2b and sin 2c. Students, I operate these are formula. You know all these 3 formula. Our first group, first one. Yes. Operate that one by one in the LHS. So I have 2 LHS. B square minus C square by A square. And what is sin 2a? Yes. 2 sin A cos A. Same further running. Sin 2b, yes, 2 sin b cos b, and last of the same is, what is sin 2c? Yes, 2 sin c cos c. Now students, you just operate our sine rule and cos rule, so that you know very well. Yes students, here operate our sine rule. It is a by 2r. And cos A is also known, B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. And here easily you 2 cancel it, and also A cancel it. You have to only 2R ABC remaining. Similarly students, here I going to B by 2R and cos B, which is A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. Again B and B gone. 1, 1, 2, 2 gone, and here B pending. And last one, A square minus B square by C square, 2. Now what is the sin C? Yes, it is C by 2R. And cos C is again B square plus C square. Sorry, B square plus A square minus C square upon 2AB. Here also 2 cancel and 1, 1 CC cancel. Students, you take out the overall LCM is same, 2R ABC. So 1 upon 2R ABC I common taking. Other is this remaining. And that already I explained you in the part 12 question number that, yes, previous numericals. Here also C square plus A square minus B square, and last A square minus B square with A square plus B square minus C square. And here students, these steps already I explained you in the 12th sum. So these are multiplied, these 2 combined, same these 2 combined multiplied, same this multiplied. So you get it only 1 by 2R ABC. Here B4 minus C4 minus A square, B square minus C square. Same students, here C4 minus A4 minus B square, C square minus A square, and ending A4 minus B4 minus C square, A square minus B square. Now check, these are 4 polarity terms is as it is, u plus or minus. So cancel it. Remaining I have only 1 upon 2R ABC. Here minus A square B square plus A square C square. Similarly here you further expanded this 2 and last expanded A square C square plus B square C square. Check, these all are cutting down, and my result is 1 upon 2R ABC into 0. So my answer is 0, that is RHS. And here students, your this part is easily done. Indirectly students, 12 and 13. 13 is the most IMP because already they included solution in the 12th one. So this part is over here, question number 13. Now I go to students word problem related our exercise further questions. Yes. Now students, I continue our exercise 14 question. It is a word problem, height and distance related numericals. Already you explained and already you studied in the last year 10th standard. But last year they not utilize our sine rule and cosine rule. Students, this numerical is especially for sine rule and cosine rule related word problems. Question is there, a tree stand vertical on a hill sides which makes an angle 15 degree with the horizontal, and from a point on the ground 35 meter down the hill, and from the base of the tree and continue, the angle of the elevation of the top of the tree is 60 degree. Find the height of the tree. Very easy students. Consider this is your hill part and that is your tree. This AB is a tree height and BC is your hill height, and you are here, point number D. Now reading that a tree stand vertical on a hill 15 degree with the horizontal. So here are the 15 degree given, this one, and other are that point ground of the here base of the tree 35 meter down, means these are 35 meter down given, and that point observation D, and base of the tree the angle of elevations are 360. So this angle of elevation of the tree is this one. These are total given 60 degree, and find out what is the height of the tree. So very easy students, height of the tree is this. I assume that it is a h meter. Okay, this 15, this 60, so this how many? 45 degree. And I just explain you only this triangle ABD, and this ABD triangle related I complete my numericals. So suppose length of either height of tree, sorry my mistake, height of tree AB, I assume that it is a h meter, where this RBC is the height of hill. And students, this angle ABD in the triangle, I just showing two angle BDC 15 degree and this one ADC 60 degree. So definitely you have to ADB now. Yes, ADB equal to 60 minus 15, which is 45. Now students, you just focus only this triangle. Only one triangle ABD. Look at here. ABD. I just write down B here, A here and D. D you know that 45 degree. That opposite side AB, it is already I taking h meter. And here BD is a 35 meter. And this degree is also known. How much? This degree how much? Yes, this 60, this 90. So here are 30. According to triangle property 180. So here 30 degree. And now students, I just apply our sine rule in this triangle ABD. So in a triangle ABD, apply sine rule. What is sine rule students? A by sine A is equal to B by sine B, and also third given, then C by sine C. But here I putting small letter m inside. If I utilize this side, so opposite angle checking, it means BD by sine 30. Another side this apply AB by sine 45. Must we check side? Opposite angles. Yes. BD is what? 35. Sine 30 you know half. And here AB is a h. Sine 45 known 1 by root 2. And students, these are very simple calculations, and I easily complete this sum now. So after that these calculations, I just multiply 2 into 35 and here h into root 2. So what is h? 2 into 35 by root 2. And h is my height of the tree. So here root 2 into root 2. 35 same. And by root 2. This cancel. So height of the tree is 35 root 2 meter. That's your easily. Here this numerical students. Ending here. Now students, one more numerical practicals. Two ships live at the same apart at the same time. One going to 24 km per hour in the direction of northeast 45 degree and other travels 32 km per hour in the direction of southeast 75 degree. And after 3 hours, find out the distance between both ships. Students, it's very interesting questions. This is your 4 directions: east, west, north and south. And consider you are here. Our initial parts for starting from both ships, its initial is O. One ship going 24 km per hour in northeast. That's your northeast. Yes, students. And northeast wise, how many degree given? 45. These are given 45 degree. A travel ship A. Consider here they moving after how many hours? 3 hours. And another ship same going the southeast. Southeast means here students. Second ship going to be here. And this how many degrees? South to east. It means this degree given you have to 75 degree. So this how much? Total you go into 90 east and southwise. So that is the 15 degree only. And my target between A and B, it means this distance I want to after 3 hours. So first of all, first ship is 24 km per hour running in 3 hours. So 24 into 3. So this distance is a 24 into 3. How much? 72 km travel after 3 hours. And that is second 32 km per hour into 3. So that is your 32 into 3. They get to 96 km. And then after this degree, how much this degree total? It is a 60. Yes, students. Here I going to now here ship A travel towards, how they going? Towards north 45 to east at a speed 24 km per hour. So at the end of 3 hours, it travel how many distance? 3 into 24, it is a 72 km. And same as, yes, same as ship B towards which side going? Our direction to south 75 degree to east at a speed given that 32 km per hour. So travel in 3 hours. 3 into 32, it is 96 km. So students, I just only apply this triangle AOB. Here O, here A and here B. That is a 60 degree because this 75 then this 15. It is 45. Both additions. Now O to A 72 km. Next O to B 96 km. And that is my target. Apply our cos rule because two sides given and one angle given. So by cosine rule. Students, very easy cosine rule. This degree apply cos 60. Opposite sides. This opposite sides is the minus positions. And other are OA square, OB square, 2 times OA into OB. All value known. Cos 60 is half. OA is a 72. OB 96. And AB square is as it is 2 into 72 into 96. This 2 and this 2 cancel, students. And other are easily simplify it and they get the easily our answers in this forming of AB, the kilometers. So I just show out the 72 into 96 and here 72 square, 96 square minus AB square. So what you get AB square? Yes, 72 square, 96 square minus 72 into 96. Finally, students, you utilize your calculator. Calculator allowed students. So that are getting total 72 square, 96 square minus 72 into 96, and that you get finally here answer 1 of the kilometers. And using calculator, students, you easily calculate by that easily solutions. So after calculate, students, you getting here 86.4 kilometer, and that is the distance between both ships after 3 hours in the northeast and southeast direction moving A to B ships. Distance cover. Very easy. Now next numericals. Now students, one more same numerical according to your 15 and this 16. Two trees A and B on the same side of the river, and from a point C inside the river, distance of the both tree are A and B are 250 meter and 300 meter, and angle between them, C angle, is your given 45. Then find the distance between both trees. So it's very easy, students. Consider here river. In the river, I just taking one of the points here, point C, and here two tree on same side of the river. This is the one side, either this one side, not opposite side telling, only one side. So here point A river and second B, both side of our both tree A and tree B. Distance given that one of the 250 meter A to C, and secondly given here 300 meter, and this degree given to 45 degree, and asking there what is the distance between both tree. Very easy. I just again draw my figure. Here C 45 degree, that is A and that is B. What is A to C? 250 meter, and B to C 300. Same questions apply by the cosine rule. Yes, by cosine rule you just operate by this degree. Yes, cos 45. And what is the opposite sides on it? AB. So here subtract them according to rule. And AC square BC square same. 2 times AC into BC same. Now value put it. Cos 45 known that as well as 1 by root 2. AC 250 square. BC 300 square. And AB square as it is by 2 into 250 into 300. It's very easy just to multiply it. 2 into 250 into 300 by root 2. And this side 25 square 625 00. Here 9 0000 minus AB square. But that, students, you know which is root 2 into root 2, that cancel it. And other are AB square is equal to 62500 90000, and this moving to right side minus of root 2 into 250 into 300. Students, root 2 is given already in the question 1.44, and utilize your calci. You easily get your value AB in the 62500 90000 1.44 into 250 into 300. And students, this calculation you easily here after using your calculator, students. So this answer is a nearest about 215.5 meter. This is approximately, students. Assumption are there 0.5, 0.4, 0.6, don't worry. But 215.5 meter, this numericals done, students, here. And these are exercise also done. Now I going to remaining illustrations related these chapters. Now students, after ending our exercise 3.5, just few examples are remaining. Students, example number 24 already I explained you in the last part. Here example 25 and 26 you calculate itself. It's a very easy examples. So I hope you easily calculate. So I going now example 27. Students, example 27 and 28, 2 examples are left in these chapters. So I going there in the one of the our example 27. Now students, example 27, it is already given this figure, and question is there. I just read for you. angle of elevation of the top of the point P. This is the top of the point P, vertical tower. It is height is h given. And PQ is height given and observation point A, that is given of 45 degree. And from a point B, angle of the elevation is 60 degree. Here point B, this angle of elevation, it is 60 degree. And also further given, where B is a point, distance from A, it is D. That also given, and students, this figure is also given already in this book. So that's why I direct plotting there. And measurable point AB is make the 30 degree. These are given, A to B is a 30 degree. And this total given 45. And find out our to prove height h root 3 minus 1 relation is equal to D. Yes students, here it's a very important questions. I just for only explain you P, here 90 degree and it's 45. So surely you can cover here this degree. How many? 45 minus 30, it is 15. So I just started first in a triangle. This one, BAQ. How much? 30 degree. And PAQ, it is how many? 45 degree. And these both are subtractions. You getting the BAP. Therefore angle BAP is equal to total 45 minus 30, which is 15 degree. Now students, this 15 degree. Now you just only focus on that this triangle P, Q and A. I know that this degree is total 45 here. This height is also known. So can I calculate the AP? Because this AP length, if I known, then I calculate easily our sine rule, either cos rule. So here students apply our tan 45 degree opposite by adjacent. Sorry, not tan. You apply. Sorry, my mistake. You apply sine, because sine is what? Opposite by hypo. So it is your PQ by AP. Sine 45 1 by root 2. PQ is h and AP is your target. So what you get AP? H root 2. And that I apply your H root 2. Now students, you just look at that in this angle PBA. Yes, PBA. So I just plot again these triangles, particular for this triangle BPA. These are B, right? Here A and here P. What is A to B? D. P to B? Unknown. Don't worry, let it done. But this 60 is not utilized here anymore. Don't worry students. Here 15, this 15. So here P point is 15 degree. A point is 15 degree. And you know that AP H root 2. And what the value for P to be? Unknown. Don't worry. But this value and this value known, no. So here students, you easily cover 15 and 15. How much? 30. Overall, all addition angle is 180. So 30 and 180, which is 150. And students, now I operate our sine rule. By sine rule, what you get? This degree, opposite sides. So opposite sides here AP upon degree is a sine 150 degree. Same as these opposite sides AB by sine 15 degree. Now students, AP, I know that H root 2. I want the relation between them. D is equal to H root 3 minus 1. Easily done. Sine 150 can I write? 180 minus 30. And AB, D. Sine 15 as it is. And now students, all value one by one you put in there. So it is H root 2. It is 180 minus second quadrant. It is sine 30 again. And here D by sine 15. And now students, apply the values. Yes, that value is known. Sine 30 is what? Half. And here D by sine 15 is also as it is. Now I just rearrange and simplify after putting your sine 15 degree. You easily cover your answers. So finally I ending this sum here. It is H into root 2 into 2 D by sine 15. So D is equal to H into root 2 into 2 sine 15. Now students, I hope you know sine 15. Yes, root 6 minus root 2 by 4. Already I derived in the exercise 3.3. Root 6 minus root 2 by 4. And these are extra common checking. Root 2 in this 2. You getting only root 3 minus 1 by 4. Check. This 2 and root 2. Overall 4 is cancelled. You have to only d h into root 3 minus 1, and that's here, students. This our proofing is easily and happily done here. Students, in this numerical drawing already given, that's why I direct reading this question. Now last one, it is last example for this chapter. Now students, I going to last example and last numerical for this chapter. It's a most IMP questions. A lamppost is situated on the middle points of the sides of the triangle ABC, AC of the middle point M of the triangle ABC, with BC given 7 meter, CA 8 meter and AB 9 meter. Lamppost subtend an angle 15 degree at the point of B, then determine height of the lamppost. Students, here first of all I draw our triangle A, B, C. I have to AB given 7 meter, CA given 8 meter, but at the end of here, one of the midpoint given. So definitely it is a 4 meter and 4 meter. And AB is a 9 meter. Now here one of the lampposts given. Situated at a B point place, that is a 15 degree. And this a PM is your lamppost. Students, you not reading first of all this. Only you focus about A, B and C. I just explain related this angle C. And then after utilize, I going here BM. And BM utilized to PMB triangle. So I only start first of all inner triangle ABC. What is the cos C? Yes, cos C is what? Opposite angles. So subtractions, minus means AB square minus other are AC square plus BC square by 2 times AC into BC same as. Students, cos C is as it is. But AC I have how many? 8. BC how many? 7. And AB is how much? 9. Upon 2 into 8 into 7. And that's I simple calculate. My value is a cos C. 8 square, 64. 7 square, 49. And 9 square, 81. By 2 into 8 into 7 as is. Now students, cos C. For 64 and 49, you added 13, 113 and minus 81. We get 32. So you have to 32 by 2 into 8 into 7. 8 to the 16 and 16 2s are. So cos C we get only 2 by 7. Students, now I explain why I written this cos C. Because this cos C now operate this triangle BNC. This gone, no new. BM you find out. So I go to now inner triangle BMC. Students, this triangle I explain you. BMC, CM4, BC known 7, and BM is your target. But value put it again, this by angle cos C. Yes, so again cos C, students, I write down in this triangle only BMC, particular this triangle. And after that I start to PMB. So cos C here minus of BM square, other are BC square plus CM square, 2 times BC into CM, and this cos C. Yes students, I know that 2 by 7. So easily I put it here 2 by 7. BC is a 7. CM 4. BM as it is 2 into 7 into 4. Now students, this 7 and this 7 you cut it down. 4 to the 8. 8 to the 16. It means 16 is equal to 49 plus 16 minus BM square. Now 16 also cutting down there. So you get only BM square is equal to 749 What do you get BM? 7 meter. It means students you have to this value known now 7 meter. Now I explain this triangle P M B. This triangle only explaining by height of the lamp post P M here 15 degree and B. This BM is 7 meter and that's my target. Height of the lamp post. Now you utilize your 10 standard property. Yes, which is angle here opposite by adjacent means 10 function apply. So what you get 10 15 PM by BM. Yes, 10 15 same and PM is unknown but BM is a 7. Now students cross multiply and apply that 10 15 value which is known you. Yes, 2 minus root 3 and that value I put it and easily getting my answer height of the lamp post. Students, this value now I operate here and ending this sum now. After that, can we write down this answer is here PM 7 into what is it 10 15 which is 2 minus root 3 meter and that's answer which is your height of the lamp post students. Yes students, here this numerical is IMP done here and our this chapter is also finished here. I hope you enjoying this chapter trigonometric functions. It is the most IMP chapter related to your 12th science also. Now students, I ending this part. Further explanations in the next chapter, our 4th chapter PMI. Yes, principle of mathematical induction. I explain you. Okay, bye bye, see you.